Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a WORKPRO mini saw, and this is pretty awesome. I love the fact that it comes with a case. It comes with a charger and a battery, and a extra battery, which is twice as awesome. And then this is the saw, so pretty cool. It's got a cover on it that comes off. Your battery goes in. Nice and easy. That's your safety. That releases the saw, so you're good to go. So let's go outside, try it out, and see how it works. Okay, so before you start sawing, it comes with a small oiler, and you fill it up with, I just use like regular motor oil, and you just put it along the bar and the chain, so you get a nice good coating on that. And then every couple of cuts, you just want to make sure that you go through and you add some oil, and then basically you are ready to go. So quick and easy yard cleanup. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.